Yo, I'm back again with another one, man. So today, we're working on the armrest on a 2017 Chevy Tahoe. Everybody knows about the armrest that does not click close. Let me show you. This is my armrest. It's broke, guys. It's broke. It won't latch. Won't latch. No problem. So, hopped on Amazon and I ordered this. This is a brand new latch for the armrest. No, let me tell you this. No, you do not have to replace this entire thing, guys. You only need to replace the latch. That's it. My latch is broken. That's how the one that's currently on the vehicle look. This how this one look. That's how that look. That's how that look. Let's get into it, guys. Before we get started, man, a couple tools you're gonna need to make this job complete. So what I have here is a little puller tool that I use. You'll see how I use it in a moment. You don't necessarily just need this. You can actually use a screwdriver in place of this, a flathead screwdriver or whatnot. But yeah, you need this thing and you need some type of start bit. I don't know which one of these is gonna be, but I know it's gonna be one of these. Or some actually comes with just a Phillip heads. So yeah, you don't need too many tools. So first thing first, around this entire perimeter is nothing but clips, guys. It's nothing but clips. So we're gonna use this tool right here to wedge in between, just popping all the clips out all the way around. It's gonna feel like you breaking it, but I promise you, voila, simple as that. Now after we get that off, it's just two screws holding this actual latch on, guys. So just take this. Got one screw out, put that somewhere safe. We got another one on the other side. Like I said, there's only a couple screws holding this thing on. I'm sure I'm missing one. I feel like I'm missing one. Where's the other one? Right here at the bottom. Can you see this, guy? So we have one on this side, we have one on this side, and then there's gonna be one directly underneath it. Now this is gonna be awkward because I'm trying to show you and do it, but I'm gonna get it done. Oh, it's a little more awkward than I thought. Hold up, guys. That's actually a Phillips under there. It's not one of these stars. So let me go grab a Phillips and I'll be right back. Got my Phillips. Let's see if I can get it done. Come on. This is pretty awkward. I know I look pretty stupid doing it, guys, but I gotta show y'all what I'm doing. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Woo! Yep, so the bottom one is a Phillips. So now, boop, comes right off. Comes right off. Let's not forget how we had it, because we want to put the new one back on. It was like this, right? Oh, yep. Ooh, we in the money, baby. Let's reverse the whole entire process. We're going to put this Phillips in first, because that's the hardest one. gonna install this Phillips. Here I go, sitting awkward again. Come on. Come on. It's all plastic, so don't go too tight on that thing. So now, we're gonna take these two that's on the side, put those in using our star. You have to figure out what star. Mine's not labeled, so I can't really tell you guys exactly which one, but I'm sure it's a start bit. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's a start bit for sure. Some sort of start bit. I don't know which one to be exact. See if I can get this started. I'm sitting so awkward. No. Hold up now. Next time it won't go too sweet. So let me make sure. Hold up. Let me make sure I get this correct. Next time I've been lost the whole screw messing with y'all. Yeah, I sure would have lost it. I'm losing it now. Come on. Come on, baby. Got him. Got him. Can't run now. Nowhere to run to now. Ooh, got that one in. What is? I lost the other one, y'all. Hold up. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So what I'm doing is I'm starting it with my hand. Then I'm finishing up with the start, man. Everything should be hand tight. Don't try to ever use no extra power. So now that we got it installed, bad. Carefully line this back up with all the clips. Let's see. It's the moment of truth. It's the moment of truth, guys. Oh, we fixed it. We fixed it. Yeah, just like new. Yeah. There it is, guys. Real quick, it's how to fix the armrest, man. We got it done. Take your time, be patient. I'm sure yours is gonna turn out great too. I'll catch you next time.